Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing us how to edit an order on CirclePlug. Now, we're currently on the products and invoicing landing page. To edit an order on CirclePlug, we're going to go to the orders icon. Let's do it together. I'm going to tap on that orders icon, tapped on it. Then it takes us to the all orders menu. This shows you all the orders that you have on your store. So to edit an order on CirclePlug, we're going to pick on the particular order, and that is if you even have permission to do so. You can't just edit an order, you must have permissions to be able to edit an order on CirclePlug. So I'm going to edit the first order I have, and you can only also edit an order that hasn't been paid for. You can see here, it shows here awaiting payment. So I'm going to click on the first order, that's the Bimbo's order. I tap on that order. To edit this order, I'm going to click on the three dots icon at the top right. And then it shows here, edit order. The first drop down menu, edit order. I'm going to click on that edit order. It's loading. Now I can edit the order. So I scroll through to see what do I want to edit. I want to edit the first item in our order. You can see this blue three dots icon beside the order. You're going to tap on that three dots icon. There, you see edit. I click on edit. There. 2, I want to change the unit to 1 instead of 2. So I'm going to click on that particular parameter, tap on it, and then the numbers menu drop down comes up, and then I change it to 1. Once I'm done with that, if I want to change the selling price, I can also change it. I want to now make it 60,000 instead of 70,000. So I change it as well, or edit it as well. I change to 60,000. Once I am through with that, I click on the tiny arrow at the bottom left to remove the numbers menu. And then once I'm through, I check through, I click on the update item below. And that particular item in our order has been edited. The second item in our order, I also want to edit it. She no longer wants that item. So I click on the three dots icon beside the order. Let's do it again. You can see edit, you can see remove. So I no longer want this, she no longer wants this order, so I want to remove it from this order. So I click on remove, and then it asks you again, do you want to remove? You click on remove. And just like that, that particular item in the order has been removed. So I check through, I also want to edit the last order, the last item in this order. So I click on the three dots icon again beside the item, and then I click on edit. And then I want to increase the unit to 2. So when I click on the units, the number menu pops up, and then I change it to 2. Once I'm through with that, I click on the icon at the bottom left to remove the number menu. And once I'm through with that, I click on update item. And I check through to be sure that everything checks out. Okay, so once I'm through editing everything I want to edit, you now scroll down. You see confirm order. It's very important that after editing whatever parameter you want to edit, whatever unit or anything, you click on the confirm order when you are through. So you can click on confirm order. And you see the order completed successfully. That means I've finished editing the order. It has been confirmed that it is now an order. So that is for this particular order. That is one way to edit an order on CirclePlug. I'm going to be showing you the second way to edit an order. So I click on the back arrow at the top left. It takes me to the all orders landing page. If you want to, let's say, add another item to the order that was not current, that was not previously there, I'm going to show you the second way to edit the order. So I'm going to go to the second order. You can see it's awaiting payment as well. It has not been paid for. I click on Mallory's order. I tap on the order, and then I go to the three dots icon at the top right. I click on it. You see the drop down comes or drop down menu shows. You see edit order, no. You see edit in backstore. That is where you do this editing. And you must also have permission to do so. So I click on the edit in backstore this time around. I tap on the edit in backstore. It's loading. Now this takes us back to the backstore where you can add another item you want to put in the order. So I scroll through to check for the item I want to add. And then I add. You can see that the checkout, something has been added to cart. I scroll through again. She wants to also buy another thing. I tap on that. And then you can see that the added to cart has popped up. So once I'm through adding, I click on the checkout icon. And there we have it. I scroll through to check. Is that all? I can also add here. I can add to the units. If I want to add this, I can use the plus sign to add there. This one I also want to add, make it 2. Add it to 2. And you can see once I'm through, I scroll through to check. You can now tap on the finish order edit. And I click on that. And there, I scroll through to check. Everything checks out. And then I go down below and I confirm the order. Very important. You confirm the order. And I click on confirm order. And the order completed successfully. I scroll back up to check. Yes. And just like that, you've been able to edit an order in the edit section and also edit in backstore if you want to add an item that was previously not there. And that's how to edit an order on CirclePlug. Thank you for listening.